Hi, this is Neil. You got us. This is Global Sources Launchpad, and this is Dixon from KDK Labs Limited. They're part of the Cyberport Incubator. That is an incubator for many, many startups in Hong Kong out at Cyberport, one of the very big incubators in Hong Kong. So Dixon, welcome.
Oh,
Thanks for coming to the Launchpad.
Okay.
And you're a local from Hong Kong.
Yeah.
And I'm been here for 18, 19 years. So we have something in common. We've been around for long. You don't make final products, but you make products for other startups and other manufacturers. Is that right?
Yeah.
You do the design and fabrication. Is that right?
Yeah.
So tell me about some of the things that you do.
First of all, this is the PCB, and we provide the fabrication and assembly service for.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So now physically, you do the fabrication in Hong Kong or in Shenzhen?
No, we design the PCB in Hong Kong, but
Right.
we fabricate and assembly in mainland China.
Okay, mainland China. So you work with partners in China?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you work when someone contracts with you for the design? So, for example, they got a new whiz-bang product. They want to connect with their iPhone. Maybe it's a temperature thing. Maybe it's something else, and it needs some circuitry to go inside. And then they're going to have a firmware. You'll help design the PCB forward to actually use that firmware, the operating system, to communicate with other sensors or other things in that unit. For example, temperature or feedback or information gathering that goes into your smartphone. So you make the physical or design the physical
We provide
PCB.
the whole solution.
Right, the whole solution. So I want device to capture some temperature and then send to my smartphone. You can make a solution.
Yeah.
Right. So you actually, step one maybe to think about the electronic circuitry.
Yeah.
Then you'll design the PCB and the software.
Yeah.
Oh, the software too, or the firmware.
Yeah.
And then you'll send it to one of your partner manufacturers to make. They'll make a prototype, and then we'll do testing of the product, and then we can go into full-scale production after that. Something like that, right? Wonderful. How many startups are you working with at the moment, or how many different clients do you work with?
Around 20 clients.
20. Interesting. And what have we got here? NFC. So this is near field communication, right?
Yeah.
So
Just maybe we show you. For example, when you put this, approach the phone,
yeah,
then it's open the
file.
picture.
Wow.
In my phone.
Wow.
For example, and if I
Yeah. And then
just show you the phone, and you can call it immediately.
wow.
It means you can use the apps to program the function of the tab or button.
Wow.
Whatever. Every task.
Wow. Okay. So this is what fintech is all about. You know, using this but programming it to transfer funds through your app in your phone, right?
Okay.
Something like that. Okay. This is wonderful. Well, what have we got here? Custom
And
design.
This is the
integrated circuit.
Integrated circuit design. We
Wow.
also provide this service.
Wow, that's amazing. And what type of product would this go into?
This product is for toys.
For a toy.
For toys.
Right, smart toy.
The sensor.
Robot type. Oh, I love that. Wonderful. Well, Dixon, thank you for telling us about your company. Your KDK Labs. It's with Cyberport.
Yeah.
And now this is the first time you're at this startup launchpad. Is that correct?
Yeah. This is the
First time. And have you met anyone new, or have you received any feedback, or got any opportunities from being here?
Some people like the integrated circuit and NFC test on these two.
That's good. Like some startups are thinking of something. Oh, maybe I need to come to Dixon because you've got the technology that I need to think about for my prototype. And I need someone who I can trust. And Dixon, you look like someone that's very trustworthy.
Really?
I can see it in your eyes. Yes. Okay. All right. And that's what we need. Startups need that at early stages. Very, very important. And Dixon, you have your network of relationships with factories in mainland China, right? And so that also helps too. That's very, very important. So there you have Dixon. All right. KDK Labs, Global Sources Launchpad. This is Neil. Catch you in the next section. Bye for now.